All right, welcome to 2023, and what we're hoping is a much more stable market year than what we saw in 2022. We're starting the year with a real lack of inventory, but also a real lack of buyer motivation to get out there and actually purchase what's on the market. So we have a little bit of a stalemate at the moment, and it's being caused in large part by the uncertainty of interest rates and the uncertainty of the economy in general. What we're seeing right now is we've seen, over 2022 is everybody knows a lot of interest rate hikes over the course of the year. There's not really a lot of indication that we're not going to see another one here at the end of January. We're probably going to see a quarter point or so a 25 basis point increase in the interest rates again. But the Bank of Canada is starting to indicate that they're going to start slowing these increases, that we're going to start to see a little bit of a leveling off. And what I think is going to happen as a result of that is a lot more consumer confidence starting to return into the marketplace. Whatever happens with the economy, I can't really guess on how that's going to affect, but the interest rates themselves, I believe, are going to bring a lot of consumer confidence back into the market, and we'll start seeing buyers actively out and getting into the market and start making offers. I suspect that we'll probably see level prices across the Toronto area, and we probably won't see a lot of major fluctuations in terms of what's going to happen with pricing. So all of this being said, it is important to know that there is no Canadian housing market. There's no Ontario housing market. You really have to niche down into the individual neighborhoods and the individual homes to know how you're going to do on your particular asset or in the particular area that you're looking for. So what I always recommend is to know what kind of buyer or seller you are. The people that I think are going to do really well in 2023 are move-up buyers. I think they're going to be in a real win position where their home hasn't devalued as much as that bigger or better home that they're eyeing up. That delta between the two is going to continue to shrink or stay the same. So if you're a move-up buyer, it's a great opportunity to make a move. If you're an investor, there are still really great opportunities to be able to get in there, and it's going to really come down to what sort of interest rate can you get on the product that you're looking to buy. The one asset class that I think is going to continue to want to stay right where they are for their 2023 are downsizers. Anybody that's looking to sell a house and move into something smaller is going to be in a disadvantaged position. So if you want to know some more about what's happening in the market, you want to keep up to date, please do watch these. We're going to be doing them weekly and just kind of keeping up with what's happening in the market. So thanks for tuning in. We'll talk to you next week.